Welcome. Today we journey to China, a nation where ancient temples stand beside futuristic skyscrapers and tradition collides with innovation. Here, history isn't just preserved, it's lived, even as the country reinvents itself at breakneck speed. We'll peel back the layers of this global powerhouse, exploring customs and technologies that define modern China. Prepare to be surprised by 15 facts that reveal the intricate tapestry of Chinese life. This is China, as you may have never seen it before. People often say that China is already living in the future, and when you walk through its cities, it's easy to see why. The energy here is palpable, with technology seamlessly woven into daily life. In its sprawling megacities, the sheer scale of progress is impossible to ignore. Towering skyscrapers, endless streams of people, and a constant buzz of innovation fill the air. Skylines in places like Shanghai and Shenzhen are in a state of perpetual transformation, with new buildings rising almost overnight. This rapid change is fueled by a state-led drive for technological advancement and urban reinvention. Here, the world's fastest maglev trains glide silently between cities, while cashless payments and digital services have become the norm. Everyday life is shaped by innovations that many countries are still only dreaming about. This relentless modernization is exhilarating, sometimes even overwhelming, and always ambitious. The pace of life is fast, and the city never seems to sleep. But China isn't just expanding, it's thoughtfully designing its own future. Urban planners and architects are reimagining what cities can be, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. The scale and speed of change here are truly unmatched anywhere else in the world. Highways, skyscrapers, and entire neighborhoods seem to appear almost overnight. As we look out over these futuristic skylines, we have to ask, what are the consequences of this breathtaking sprint into tomorrow? Let's take a closer look at what this means for China, and for the world. China's manufacturing might has a shadow. It's the world's largest source of counterfeits. In cities like Shenzhen and Yiwu, entire markets thrive on imitation, producing everything from fake electronics to luxury goods. Despite government crackdowns, the counterfeit industry's scale and profitability make it nearly impossible to eradicate. It's a different kind of innovation, one rooted in replication, not creation. China's culture of imitation extends to architecture, with entire towns modeled after global landmarks. In Tianducheng, you'll find a replica Eiffel Tower. In Huizhou, a copy of Austria's Hallstatt. Theme parks like Shenzhen's Window of the World showcase miniatures of over 100 famous sites. These projects blur the line between fantasy and reality, letting residents experience the world without leaving home. It's imitation on a monumental scale. To outsiders, China's imitation culture can seem puzzling or even deceptive. The sight of bustling markets filled with imitation goods, handbags, electronics, and designer labels often raises eyebrows and questions about authenticity. But to truly understand this phenomenon, we need to look beyond the surface and explore the deeper cultural roots that shape these practices. In Chinese tradition, copying has long been a respected way to learn from the masters. For centuries, students of art, calligraphy, and craft have honed their skills by replicating the works of great teachers, viewing imitation not as theft, but as a tribute and a vital step in the learning process. The concept of shanzhai, or counterfeiting, is far more complex than simple copying. It democratizes luxury, making high-end designs accessible to ordinary people, and often adapts global trends to local tastes. Shanzhai products can even introduce unique features not found in the originals, reflecting creativity within imitation. While Shanzhai raises important questions about intellectual property and originality, it's also a path to innovation. By mastering and adapting existing ideas, Chinese creators often push boundaries, eventually developing new forms and technologies that can influence the world. Imitation, in many ways, is the first step toward progress. It allows learners to build a strong foundation before striking out on their own creative journeys. In China, copying is not just about repetition. It's a form of learning, aspiration, and respect for tradition. It's a way to honor the past while preparing for the future. Through this process, imitation becomes a different route to creativity, one that values mastery, adaptation, and ultimately, innovation. In the bustling cities of China, Cash has become almost a relic of the past. Today, mobile payments have taken over daily life, transforming the way people shop, eat, and travel. Whether you're grabbing breakfast from a street vendor or shopping in a high-end mall, you'll see people reaching for their phones instead of their wallets. Alipay and WeChat Pay are the undisputed leaders in this digital revolution. These super apps are accepted everywhere, from luxury boutiques to tiny noodle shops tucked away in alleyways. For many, carrying cash is simply unnecessary. Life in China is now managed through these apps. People pay utility bills, book doctor appointments, invest in stocks, order groceries, and even file for divorce. All with a few taps on their smartphones. The convenience is unmatched, making daily tasks seamless and efficient. The next leap in payments is already here. Biometrics. Facial recognition and palm vein scans are being used at supermarkets and convenience stores, allowing people to pay with just a glance or a wave of their hand. The future of payments is touchless and incredibly fast, but with this convenience comes a new reality: unprecedented levels of data collection. Every transaction, every movement, and every purchase is tracked, raising serious concerns about privacy and personal freedom in this digital age. China's digital infrastructure is vast and sophisticated, supporting billions of transactions every day. The country's investment in 5G, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence has made this cashless society possible on an enormous scale. The cashless society is no longer a vision of the future. It's a reality for hundreds of millions of people across China, changing the way they live, work, and interact. Yet, as China leads the world into a cashless era, it also faces profound questions about surveillance, data security, and the balance between convenience and personal privacy. Robots and autonomous vehicles are now part of daily life in China's cities. In restaurants, robot waiters deliver meals. On the streets, self-driving taxis from companies like Baidu and Didi are being tested. The government is fueling this push, investing in infrastructure and favorable regulations. China aims to lead the world in automation and self-driving tech. The pace and scale of deployment are unprecedented. The future is arriving, fast. China's ambitions reach the skies with flying cars, eVTOLs, or electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles. Companies like EHang are already testing passenger drones for urban air travel, the goal to ease city congestion and create a new dimension of mobility. Government support is strong, and commercial routes are on the horizon. Challenges remain, but China is betting big on aerial transport. The future of urban travel may soon be airborne. In remote Tibetan areas, unique marriage customs persist. Some traditions require women to have multiple partners before marriage, believed to bring wisdom and spiritual purity. This practice is seen as a rite of passage, not a taboo. It's a reminder of how cultural values can differ dramatically across regions. Fraternal polyandry, brothers sharing a single wife, remains in parts of Tibet. The practice preserves family land and wealth in harsh environments. Children are considered the eldest brothers, ensuring clear inheritance. Though less common today, it's a powerful example of how survival shapes social structures. Marriage here is as much about economics as emotion. Ghost marriages, or Minghun, are held for the deceased to ensure peace in the afterlife. Elaborate ceremonies unite two spirits, with effigies and ancestral tablets standing in for the couple. The tradition is rooted in filial piety and the belief that unmarried spirits bring misfortune. Despite official discouragement, ghost marriages persist in some rural areas. It's a haunting blend of ritual, belief, and family duty. Chinese beauty ideals have shifted dramatically over time. In the Tang dynasty, plumpness symbolized health and prosperity. Today the ideal is slimness, a V-shaped face, and pale skin, driven by pop culture and social media. Viral trends like the A4 waist challenge highlight the pressure to conform. Beauty standards reflect changing values and global influences. The pendulum has swung from abundance to slenderness. Modern Chinese beauty prizes long legs and fair skin. Fairness signals privilege, while meitui, beautiful legs, are a sought-after trait. A booming market exists for skin-whitening products and leg-enhancing procedures. Sun protection is a daily ritual connecting today's ideals to centuries-old class distinctions. Beauty here is both a personal and social statement. Urban Chinese dating is fiercely competitive, especially for men. Women often expect partners to own a home, a car, and have a high income. The gender imbalance from the one-child policy gives women more choice. Parental pressure and rising female independence raise the bar even higher. Men face immense pressure to succeed. Women risk being labeled leftover if they wait too long. Love and marriage are shaped by economics, demographics, and tradition. The pressures of modern life have created China's emotional industry. Services range from relationship boot camps to fake partner rentals for family gatherings. Emotional companions can be hired just to talk or share activities. These services offer a commercial solution to loneliness and social anxiety. It's a uniquely modern response to the challenges of connection in big cities. China's legacy includes 4 inventions that changed the world: paper printing, the compass, and gunpowder. Papermaking revolutionized communication. Printing spread knowledge centuries before Europe. The compass enabled global exploration, and gunpowder transformed warfare. These innovations are pillars of the modern world. China's ancient ingenuity still shapes our lives today. Its contributions are foundational, not just historical. Our journey reveals a China of contrasts, innovative yet traditional, global yet unique. Its story is one of constant reinvention, shaped by 1.4 billion people. The facts we've explored are snapshots of a civilization in transition. Understanding China is essential to understanding our future. Which fact surprised you most? Share your thoughts below. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations of world cultures. Thank you for watching.